What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. YouTube Premium downloads not working. Maybe the download button is missing. Downloads won't start or videos suddenly aren't available offline. Before you install any downloader apps or start searching for browser tools, stop. This video is only about YouTube's official offline download feature inside the YouTube app. I'll show you the safest ways to troubleshoot download problems while staying completely within YouTube's supported features. First, make sure you're using the official YouTube mobile app. Open YouTube directly from Android, iPhone, or iPad. If you're troubleshooting offline downloads, always start with the official app because that's where YouTube Premium downloads are managed. Remember, official offline downloads are different from you saving video files to your phone. Next, verify that offline downloads are actually available for your account and the video you're trying to save. A missing download button doesn't always mean something is broken. Offline downloads depend on several factors such as premium availability, supported countries and regions, video eligibility, account status, and device support. Some videos may not support offline viewing and some users may not see download options depending on their region or subscription status. If the video button is missing entirely, start by checking whether your account has access to YouTube Premium features in your location. Downloads require both a stable connection and enough free storage. First, test your connection. Try Wi-Fi, mobile data if available. If the connection keeps dropping, downloads may pause or fail. Next, check device storage. A nearly full phone prevents downloads from starting or completing. Even if a video seems small, YouTube may need additional space for offline storage management. Free up some storage if your device is running low before retrying the download. And finally, outdated app versions can cause download problems. Just open Google Play Store on Android or App Store on iPhone or iPad. Search for YouTube and check whether an update is available. Install the update if one appears, and after updating, fully close it, reopen the app, then test the download again. Many temporary bugs are fixed through routine app and updates. So most download issues can be solved with these simple checks without using any third-party tools. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Windows and YouTube tips. And I will see you on the next one.